Today I'm going to show you how to connect Hermes Agent directly to your Slack workspace. By the end of this video, you'll be able to text your computer right from your phone, ask your AI agent to search the web, and help you get your tasks done without sitting at your desk. So let's get into it. First, open up your terminal and run the command Hermes Slack manifest write. This automatically generates a JSON file containing the permissions and setting that our bot needs. Next, head over to apislack.com/apps and click the big green Create an App button. Choose the From a Manifest option. Pick your Slack workspace from the drop-down menu and click Next. Open the Slack manifest JSON file we just generated and copy everything inside and paste it into the JSON tab to automatically configure the bot's events, scopes, and interactive settings. Click Next, review the bot's scopes, and then click Create. On the basic information page, scroll down past the app credentials to the app level token section and click Generate Token and Scopes. Give your token a name like Hermes Agent. Select Connections Right from the drop-down and click Generate. Copy the token starting with XAPP and keep it safe. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Install App. Click the Install to Workspace button, scroll down and hit Allow to get your XOXB bot user OAuth token. Next, head back to your terminal, type Hermes Setup Gateway. Select Slack with the spacebar and hit Enter to be prompted to paste in both the XOXB and XAPP tokens. Now, I actually made a mistake here when it asked for allowed user IDs. I left it blank and I hit Enter, which is a common trap because Hermes is secured by default and will deny everyone. To see the error in action, start the gateway back up by typing Hermes Gateway and try to message the bot. You'll see a warning in the terminal reading, Warning, Gateway Run Unauthorized User. This helpfully provides our Slack user ID. So stop the gateway and run Hermes config set Slack allowed users followed by your ID. Then stop and restart the gateway to pick up the new configuration and fix the mistake. Now jump over to Slack, invite the Hermes bot to a channel and say hi. You will notice that it gives a quick warning that no home channel is set, which you can fix by typing /Hermes set home. Now for the fun part, ask Hermes to find the latest news headlines. As you can see, Hermes gets straight to work, opening the browser and streaming the response back to you. The bot drops a perfectly formatted summary of today's top headlines, characterized by the region with a follow-up question. And just like that, Slack is linked to Hermes Agent. You can now message your own AI agent inside of Slack to search your web, read your files, and help you get your work done from anywhere. But right now, your bot only works while your computer is awake and running. If you want it working 24/7, even when your laptop is closed, you'll need to move it to a VPS. Watch this next video of mine to see how to use Hostinger to host your VPS so your bot never sleeps. Subscribe for more helpful AI tips and I'll see you in the next one.